Hey everyone! Today, we're going to create this super bright and fun nail set. Alright, let's get this transformation started. Every great manicure begins with a clean slate. First, we're gently pushing back the cuticles. After that, it's time to bring in the e-file to carefully remove the old product. It's all about creating that perfect foundation for our new look. When using the e-file, you want to be super gentle. Just use light, gliding motions and let them eschew all the work. There's absolutely no need to apply pressure. We want to keep those natural nails perfectly safe and healthy. Next up, we're switching over to a mini 240 grit sanding band, perfect for smoothing out any leather product and prepping the natural nail. Just like before, keep it light and easy to create that beautifully smooth surface. Now it's time to clean up the cuticle area. We're going in with a cuticle bit to gently lift the skin and clear away any stubborn dust. After that, we'll carefully trim the excess skin. Just remember, don't go too deep. We only remove what's loose and keep the skin perfectly protected. Now, let's get ready for the fun part. I'm going in with the prep and then applier of base coat. This step is super important because it creates the perfect bond between the natural nail and our gel. No lifting allowed around here. For the structure and strength today, I'm using the amazing Alezori Builder Gel in the shade Bow. I absolutely love working with this gel because it gives such a beautiful, smooth finish. If you want to try it out for yourself, you can grab it over at Beauty by Wenn. Trust me, it's a total game changer for your nail kit. Once the gel is fully cured, it's time to perfect our shape. I'm I'm starting with a coarser sanding band to quickly debulk and get the main structure down. After that, I switch to my Alezori exchangeable hand file with a 180 grit to crisp up those sidewalls and get that flawless amandel form. Look how sleek they're turning out already. Now it's time for the fun part, the design. For this look, I'm combining a lovely light pastel shade with a super bright neon pink. Both of these gel polishes are from Madame Glam. To be honest, guys, While editing this video, I don't have the exact shade names right next to me, but honestly, all of their colors are absolutely amazing. Oh, and if you want to grab for yourself, don't forget to use Copy35 at checkout to save some coins. Next up, we're creating a gorgeous, crisp French tip. To get that perfect, symmetrical smile line, here is my favorite trick. Start right in the center of the nail and draw a smooth line out to the right corner. Then, go back to left corner and connect it right back to the middle. Once your outline looks super sharp, just take your brush and fill in the rest of the tip with that beautiful color. It's that easy. Now let's bring it all together with the leopard and tiger prints. After that, we'll seal everything in with our top coat and apply some nourishing cuticle oil. Make sure to watch until the very end to see the final reveal. If you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell. And hey, if you made it all the way to the end, drop pink heart emoji in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, and wait, I almost forgot. We're also adding some gorgeous rhinestones to this set. Because let's be honest, you can never have too much bling, right?